Hey guys, what's up? A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all you guys are having a super amazing day going on, guys. I am very excited because we are back with our sprint series. Yes, we're all about to run in a sprint, guys. So are you all ready for this amazing session? Because today we will be learning about reproduction in animals. Now this is for grade 8, where we have a lot of fun in this session. So quickly tell me, are you guys all ready? Give me a quick yes if you're all ready for the session. Everybody, I just dropped my pen. Where's my pen? Are you all ready, guys? Found it. Found my pen. I just dropped this. What's up, people? What's up? Hi, Shiticha. Hi, Aman. Hi, Atarth. Hi, Arit. Hi, Purple Student. Hello. Hi, Nasha. Hi. Big hi to everybody. Good to see you all in the class today, guys. I am excited. I hope all of you are also excited because we are with our sprint series. Now, let me tell you quickly what this means. This means that we are about to be covering the entire chapter because I know your exams are coming up. So you don't have to worry about anything, guys. Even if you haven't studied till now, don't worry, attend all the sprint series and all of these sprint sessions, you will be able to crack the exam. Not just crack, you'll be able to get amazing marks also. Okay, so please make sure that you guys are regular. We'll be having for grade 7, grade 6, everything. Don't worry. Okay, yes. Now, let me also tell you that in this sprint series, we'll be having the mind maps, VQuiz, previous year questions also will be included, and subjective questions also. That literally means that we'll be covering everything in this chapter. So don't you worry. Okay? Don't you worry. Alright, we are also going to have VQuiz, guys. VQuiz is also there. Alright, guys. Yes, let's go forward. So this is our Sprint X. How many of you guys are athletes? We are about to be running. We're about to be running in this sprint series. We're about to be learning a lot of amazing things, guys. So let us go slow. Let us go organized. Make sure that you guys are listening throughout the class. I will make sure I'm not missing even a single point because I want all of you guys, my champions, to score amazing marks in your exams. Okay? And trust me, that will happen if you guys listen to the entire session properly. Got it? So people, make sure that you guys are here to be focused completely. Okay, because this session is definitely going to help you out a lot. Okay. Yes. Alright, don't you worry, Atarth. Don't you worry when I am here. I will teach physics also. I will teach biology also. Don't you worry. Okay, let's go forward, guys. Cheek. Dose of motivation, yes, that is something we all need. What is not started today is never finished tomorrow. So start today, guys. Do not postpone anything. Okay, trust me, if you start today, you will feel very proud about yourself. That is the first step. Until you start, it's difficult. Once you start it becomes very easy. Okay, so let's start today. Let's all make sure that we start today and start studying today, and we will definitely score amazing marks. Okay, yes, people. Hey Aditya, hello, what's up? Thank you so much, Aman. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go forward. What is this? Oh my god. Now this is an amazing mind map which I would like to show to all of you. Okay, just check this out. Okay, wait a minute. Let me just turn this off. Yeah. Take a minute and see what are all the different things that is there in this mind map, and let me know if you're able to grasp everything. Okay, we all know that just the mind maps are not enough, right? Let me also remove this ticker for once, guys. I think now you can see it, right? Yeah, better. Clear? Now you see it's fine, right? But what we'll do is we'll go step by step. Okay? We'll take the white page. You guys can also write along with me to understand it better. Okay, first We all know that we are in a chapter which is called as what? Reproduction, right? Now, what is reproduction? Is reproduction very important? Can animals survive without reproduction? Definitely yes. Then why is reproduction important? Reproduction is important for the continuation of the species. What does that mean? That means if today humans stop reproducing, do you think there will be any more humans? No. Because if a species has to continue, then reproduction is very important. So that means every organism on this planet reproduces. Every organism on this planet reproduces. Now, when we talk about reproduction, there are specifically two types. One is your asexual, and the other one is your sexual reproduction. Asexual and sexual reproduction. Now, first, I am very sure that you guys have already learnt about reproduction in plants when you learnt in your 7th grade. If not, don't you worry. Okay, so in asexual reproduction, we just need what? A single parent. A single parent is needed. How amazing is this? You don't need a father, you don't need a mother. Just a single organism is able to give rise to a new organism. Isn't that amazing? Now, in single parent, for example, let's talk about a beautiful rose plant. A beautiful rose plant. Now, what happens in a rose plant? Suppose you say you went to your neighbor's house. You saw they have a very beautiful rose plant. You want the same plant in your house also. What do? You just cut a branch of that rose plant, bring it to your house, and you will plant it. Now what will happen? That rose plant will grow into a new plant. Right? Here, did we use any seeds? No. Did we use two parents? No. We just used a single plant. That means a single parent was used. Right? This type of reproduction is asexual. In rose plant, we use something called as cutting method. Similarly, we have so many other types of asexual reproduction where only a single organism is needed. For example, can you guys give me examples? Can you guys give me examples? We have what? Quick examples. We have yeast. What does yeast do? What does yeast do? What does hydra do? Yeast and hydra, they both do what? Budding, right? Exactly. Then we have one more amazing thing. What is it? We also have amoeba, the alien. What does amoeba do? Amoeba does binary fission. What is binary fission? Very important. Listen. In binary fission, the single amoeba splits into two different daughter cells or two different amoebas. So fusion, you have to know the difference between fusion and fission, guys. Okay? So fusion is when two things become one. That is called fusion. Fission means a single thing becomes two. So fission, fusion. Amoeba pe what happens? Binary fission happens. That means a single amoeba divides into two daughter cells or two babies, two baby amoebas. Okay, now this is also an example of asexual reproduction. Similarly, you have many types of asexual reproduction. We already saw budding. Amoeba has binary fission. Right? In plants, there are so many other types that we have seen. Got it? So, asexual reproduction is so far clear. Let's go back to our mind map and see where is asexual reproduction. Right, check this out. So, this is reproductive phase. In reproduction, we have phases. Sexual reproduction is what we'll be talking right now. In plants also, there is sexual reproduction. that you might have learned in your last year. Let's not focus on that for now. Let's go back to our slides. Okay, now I hope you guys are clear with this. We'll come to fallopian tube, don't worry. We'll come to fallopian tube. Yes? Amazing, amazing. Okay, now let's focus on what? Sexual reproduction. Okay. Now listen very carefully, guys, because this is your main topic. I want you all to listen. In sexual reproduction, as I already told you, do we require single parent or double parents? Do we require single or both the parents? Tell me quickly. In sexual reproduction, we need two parents, of course. So we need a male or the father, and we need the female. That is father and mother. Right? Exactly. Now what happens? We have the father. We have the mother. Okay. Now this father and mother both together give rise to a baby. Just like how we came, right? Exactly. We have our father, we have our mother. From them, we came into this world. That is an example of sexual reproduction. Now, to perform this, the male needs reproductive organs. Right? Needs reproductive organs. The female also needs reproductive organs, right? Okay. Now, when we talk about reproductive organs of the male, can you all tell me what all reproductive organs are there in the male? Quickly. 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 We have the penis. We have, come on, quick. I want you guys to all help me out. Come on, quickly. Testis and sperm ducts. Very good. No, uterus is not for male, guys. We're talking about only male. Right? Okay. Now let's talk about the female reproductive organs. What all we have? You guys already told me one. Uterus. Okay. 1 second. What do we have? Quick, come on. Many of you guys are answering. Very good. Come on. Uterus. We have oviduct. Okay. Oviduct, other name is what, guys? Oviduct is also called as fallopian tube. Right? It's also called as fallopian tube. Very good. Right? What else? What else we have? Ovaries, very important, right? Right? So these are all the reproductive organs. So we have in female, we have in the male. Simple. Now I hope reproductive organ is clear for everybody. Very good. Now let us get to the details. What actually happens in sexual reproduction? Very simple, guys. So we have the male. We have the female. Now, male has a separate cell for reproduction, and that cell is called as the male gamete. Male gamete is also called as what? What is it? It is the sperm. Where is the sperm produced? Sperms are produced in the testis. Cool. Let's say this is a single cell. Now, in females, we also have female gametes. Any idea what is the name of the female gamete? Quick. It is present in the, it is produced by the ovaries. Very good. It is ova or ovum, right? Egg. Egg or ovum. Very good. Now what happens is, this sperm and this egg, they both fuse together. What happens? Fusion happens. I told you what is fusion. Where two cells become a single cell. where the male gamete and the female gamete fuse together to form a single cell. Any idea what this single cell is called? This single cell is your zygote. So male gamete and the female gamete fuse together to form zygote. This fusion of male gamete and female gamete is a process called as quick. Very good, guys. Fertilization. The fusion of male gamete and the female gamete together to form zygote is called as fertilization. Very, very good. Very good. Where is sperms produced? This you all have to remember. Sperms is again produced in the testis. Ovum is produced in the ovaries. Okay, and the sperms come out of the male's body through what? Through an external organ, that is your penis. Okay, so once it comes out of the penis, it enters into the female's reproductive system, that is uterus. And where does the fertilization happen then? Where does the sperm meet the egg? Where? Where? Oviduct. Very good, guys. Very good. The fertilization occurs in the oviduct or fallopian tube. Very well, please remember, guys, because many of you guys make a mistake telling, sir, fertilization happens in the uterus. No. Fertilization doesn't happen in the uterus. Where does the fertilization happen? In the oviduct or the fallopian tube. Okay, then what happens in the uterus, guys? Once the zygote is formed, the zygote then moves to the uterus. Right? Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Where does the zygote move next, guys? Tell me quickly now. Once the fertilization happened, once the zygote is formed, the zygote next moves to where? Which place? Which place? It goes to the uterus. Now what happens in the uterus? In the uterus is where embryo development takes place. So we all developed where? In the uterus, right? So whenever you see a pregnant lady, right, you will find a big belly. That is because the uterus has become that big, because the baby is inside the uterus. So the embryo development happens in the uterus. Now we all know that fertilization happened in the oviduct. Where is the oviduct present? Oviduct is present inside the female's body, right? Inside the female. So since the fertilization is happening inside the female's body, what type of fertilization is this, guys? What type of fertilization is this? Tell me quickly. Quickly, tell me. Internal fertilization. Understood. Everybody, how easy is this? See, the concepts are very, very simple. All you have to do is remember these words. Male gamete is the sperm, female gamete is the egg. They both fuse together. This fusion is called as fertilization. After fertilization, zygote is formed. That zygote is, this fertilization happens in the fallopian tube. Then the zygote develops into an embryo. This development of embryo happens in the uterus. Now, since the fertilization is happening inside the female's body, we call it as internal fertilization. That's all. That's all, people. Boom. If you all learned about this, if you're all clear about this right now, give me a quick yes in the chat box. Let's go. Give me a quick yes in the chat box, and don't you forget to hit the like button right now. Come on. Don't you forget to hit the like button. Let's go. Let's go. Quick. Amazing, guys. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Amazing. How many likes do we have? Yeah, 26 likes, sir. What is this? Huh? Great. Now, let's. There are some organisms. Let's just keep it like this, guys. The embryo then becomes into a fetus. Fetus then becomes into a baby. Baby comes out. All that is done. Okay. Now, there are some organisms where crazy, guys. You know why? Because the sexual reproduction only. But the male gamete is released in the water. Okay, the female gamete is released in the water. Okay, now that's all. The male will go tata bye bye, the female will go tata bye bye, and the fusion will happen outside. Where is the fusion happening? The fertilization is happening outside the body, guys. Wow. So what type of fertilization it is then? Since the fusion is happening outside, we call this as external fertilization. Because the fertilization is happening outside the female's body. Example. What is the example? Tell me quickly. Frog. Most of the aquatic animals, guys. Fish also happens like this. Okay. Hey, Janvi. Okay. Most of the aquatic animals do external fertilization only. Never forget. Okay. Where does the embryo development happen, guys? Inside or outside? Where does the embryo development happen then? Embryo development also happens in the water only. In the water only. There will be eggs in the water. Inside those eggs, the embryo will develop. Okay, this is external fertilization in frogs and aquatic animals. There is one more type. This is so crazy. Listen to this. There's one more type. Okay, now same sexual reproduction. We have the male gamete. We have the female gamete. You guys have to guess this. Okay. Female gamete. Fusion is happening. Okay. Where is fusion happening? Inside only. Inside the female's body. So it is internal fertilization. But zygote is formed. The embryo development happens outside the body. How is that possible? Can somebody tell me? How is that possible? Embryo development outside the body. Yo, sometimes I forget spelling for even small things, guys. It just vanishes. Outside. Outside the body. Where is it? Come on. Embryo development happens where? In the hen, guys. In the birds. That is why the birds lay egg. Because after the gamete is formed, egg is pushed out. Inside the egg, we have the embryo development happening. So in the birds, oviparous basically, exactly. The animals that lay eggs are oviparous animals. Now, the fertilization happens inside the body, but embryo development happens outside the body. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Come on. Yes or no? If you understood this, quick like. Come on, quick like and yes in the chat box. Let's go, people. Let's go. Clear with this? After today, no more doubts in this chapter. No more doubts. Right? We learned everything right now. Everything. So we learned about what is sexual reproduction, the reproductive organs. Then we learned about how it happens in humans, where internal fertilization happens, embryo development happens. Then we learned about the aquatic animals, where external fertilization happens. Then we learned about the birds, oviparous animals. Okay, simple as that. Simple. Very simple. Nothing can stop us now. Okay, nothing can stop. All right, now what do we have? What else do we have? Give me. What else do we have? Let's see. Okay, so guys, yes, this is done. This is done. Plants, you leave it. Right, you look at this, guys. Everybody have a look at this picture right now. I hope you guys are all able to see it. So here you can see the penis. The penis enters into the female's reproductive system, releases the sperms. The sperms then travel all the way up, go to the fallopian tube and meet with the egg. This place at the last. Okay, like this place. So you have, we know what is external, we know what is internal. Male gamete, female gamete, we know. See, male gamete is the sperm, guys. You can see here. Female gamete is the egg. So egg plus sperm, that is male gamete plus female gamete, it is your zygote. Okay. Oviparous are the animals which lay eggs directly, like the birds. Viviparous are the animals which give birth to the young ones directly, like humans, dogs, cow, goat. Everything gives directly birth to the young ones. Okay. Now you can see here, zygote becomes embryo, embryo becomes fetus, fetus becomes baby. Okay. So we didn't learn about cloning. We will learn about cloning. Don't you worry, people. I will only teach about cloning if you cross 50 likes. Come on. We have one more topic left out, that is cloning. I will tell you all about cloning, but only if you guys hit the like button. Everybody, 50 likes. Let's go. 50 likes. Okay, 50 likes. Okay, now let's talk about one more case which you guys might have learnt about. What is that case? Okay, guys, we all know that in humans, the male gamete has to fuse with the female gamete for the fertilization to happen. But what if the female gamete is not able to fuse, or what if the male gamete is not able to fuse naturally? Do we have a way for it? Do we have a way if this cannot happen naturally? Exactly. What is it, people? I can see test tube babies or IVF, in vitro fertilization. So what the doctors will do is they will collect the sperm from the father. They will collect the egg from the mother. The fertilization will happen in the test tube, outside the female's body. So fertilization happens outside the female's body. Once the fertilization is successful, the doctors will take the zygote and again place it inside the uterus. Okay, this is for people who are naturally not able to reproduce. That is when they go for IVF, in vitro fertilization. Okay. So in vitro fertilization, fertilization happens outside the female's body. Embryo development happens inside. It is the opposite of hen, the birds. Okay, because birds, what happens? Birds, the fertilization happens inside, embryo development happens outside. Here it's the opposite. Never forget. Okay, that's it, people. That's it. Do we have 50 likes? 50 likes. Hey ki nahi? Hey ki nahi? 40 likes. I am not teaching cloning. See, I have cloning ready for all of you. But if I don't see 50 likes, I am not going to start teaching it. Come on. Come on. See, we covered all of this, guys. Great. So reproduction is a process by which cells and organisms produce young ones of the same kind. In reproduction, we have sexual, we have asexual. Perfect. In asexual, only a single parent is needed. Involves no gamete. You don't need a male gamete. You don't need a female gamete. Nothing is needed. Offsprings are exactly like the parent. They are just like the parent. Because only a single parent is producing, no? So it will be like a clone. In sexual, you have two parents. You need male gamete and female gamete. Fertilization happens. And the offspring has the genetic characters from both the father and the mother. It's a mix. Because it's made from two different cells. Right? Exactly. Now, fusion of gametes of two parents are involved. You can see sperm, ovum, fertilization, baby is formed. These are the reproductive organs, guys. Please have a look at this. You have the male reproductive organs. Testis is here, where the sperms are produced. Millions of sperms are produced in the testis. Then you have the sperm ducts. This is your sperm, sperm ducts. This is how the sperms go out of the testis to the penis. Then they come to the penis and come out of the penis. For a female, you have the uterus, where the embryo development happens. Oviduct, where the fertilization happens. Ovary, where the female gametes are produced. Okay, and the eggs present in the ovaries are fixed. After a while, the eggs will get over. Okay, then we have, this is the sperm, guys. It has a tail to swim inside the female's reproductive system. Middle piece, which has mitochondria. Head has the nucleus. This is the human ovum. Looks like a normal cell. Let me remove the sticker, guys. 1 second. Okay, better. Alright. Now I hope you guys can see it properly. So fertilization is where the sperms fertilize the egg. And remember, guys, only one sperm can fertilize the egg. Only one sperm. Got it? Yes. So millions of sperms are produced, but only a single sperm will fertilize the egg. Alright. You can see here how fertilization happens. So after fertilization, the cell automatically starts multiplying into a ball of cells, becomes into a fetus, and then, yeah, baby. Alright, internal fertilization, you can see how the fertilization happens in the hen. You have the male hen, the cock at the top, then you have the female hen at the bottom. You can see how the internal fertilization is happening. Okay, now this is external. You can see male and female, but the gametes are produced outside. See, the gametes are produced outside. Yeah, great. Now, menstrual cycle. Yes, guys. So what happens is, once the female reaches the adolescence or puberty, every month a single egg is released from the ovary. That process is called as ovulation. Every month it is released. If the reproduction happens, if the fertilization happens, baby is formed. If the fertilization doesn't happen, then the egg is thrown out along with the lining of the uterus. That is basically blood. That is why females bleed every month. That is what we call as menstrual cycle, or we call it as periods. Okay? Yes. You can see here. See, egg matures in the ovary. Ovulation is happening. That is, egg is released. Egg reaches the uterus. Okay? No fertilization happened. So the egg is thrown out along with the uterus lining, and bleeding happens in females. Okay? Great. Now, steps involved in pregnancy. Very simple. You have the ovum. Ovulation happens. Then sperm fertilizes the ovum. And then that becomes into a zygote. A single cell becomes 2. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes 8. 8 becomes a morula. Then we have slowly it multiplies and becomes into a fetus, baby. Good evening, guys. Stop spamming. Okay. Now, let's go for some subjective questions, guys. Then we'll quickly go for our VQuiz. Okay? Okay, people. Do we have 50 likes? No, we only have 48 likes. I'll only teach cloning if we reach 50 likes. I am not ignoring anybody. I'm here to teach you all. How can I ignore you? What's up? Hello. All good, guys. Shall we continue with some short answer types? Yes. Shall we continue? Did Prateshwar leave? Yes, guys. He's not there. He's not there in Vedantu anymore. No. So me and your Nobita ma'am will be teaching biology. So I'll be teaching half. She'll be teaching half. Okay? Do we have 50 likes, people? I'll give you time till the end of the session. Okay, now let us quickly go for some short answer types. First question, very important, guys. Please, these are the types of questions you'll be getting from this chapter, so please do listen. Explain the process of fertilization in brief. We already learnt about it. Very simple, because we just learnt. So fusion of the male gamete, that is the sperm, with the female gamete, that is the egg, is called as fertilization. During the fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse together to form a zygote. That's all, guys. And where does the fertilization happen? It happens in the fallopian tube. That's all. Simple. 2 marks given to you. Next question. Explain 2 modes of reproduction with examples. What a difficult question. What a difficult question. Tell me, guys. 2 modes of reproduction. Sexual, asexual. Examples of sexual, humans. Asexual, we have, let's say we have budding in hydra, yeast budding, right? Binary fission in amoeba. All of these are examples of asexual reproduction. Simple. Okay. So sexual reproduction takes place by the fusion of male and female gametes. Example, human beings, mammals like cow, buffalo, dog, everything. Asexual, a mode of reproduction where only a single parent is involved. Example, amoeba, yeast, hydra. Not difficult, no? Now this question. What are sperm and ovum? What are sperm and ovum? These are the gametes. Sperm is the male gamete which is produced by the testis. Ovum is the female gamete which is produced by the ovaries. Right? Exactly. So the male gamete is called as the sperm. It is produced by the male reproductive organ testis. Structurally, it consists of what? There is a head, there is a body, and there is a tail. The head consists of the nucleus, and the tail helps it to move forward. Yes, ovum is the female gamete. They are also called as the egg. They are produced by the female reproductive organ, that is the ovary. They consist of a huge nucleus. Both the sperm and the ovum are the reproductive cells. They contain a single cell. Simple. Next, the short life cycle of silkworm. Yes, we did not cover one more topic, that is metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Drastic change in the life cycle of an organism. For example, silkworm will be like this, very small. Suddenly after a few days, it will start flying. I'm like, dude, how is that possible? You were just a small worm, but now you're flying. So this type of drastic changes in the life cycle of an organism is possible because of metamorphism. Okay? Yes. So what happens in silkworm? Silkworm is first an egg. It has 4 stages. Egg becomes into a caterpillar or a larva. That becomes into a pupa, and pupa becomes into an adult, and then the adult again flies like a moth. Metamorphosis also happens in frogs. Yes, butterflies, frogs, mosquitoes. Okay, in all these organisms, guys. Does metamorphosis has anything to do with reproduction? No, it is a life cycle of an organism. Okay, viviparous and oviparous animals. Eggs, oviparous. Remember the O. O looks like an egg, right? So oviparous means egg. Viviparous means no eggs. Okay, simple. The animals which give birth to the young ones directly are called as viviparous animals. Examples, mammals, including human beings, everything. Oviparous are the animals which lay eggs. How does twinning occurs during sexual reproduction? I know this question you guys have been asking so many times. So many times. Shall we have a look at the answer, guys? How twinning occurs? How twins are formed? Everybody? Yes? Great. So twins are 2 offsprings produced in the same pregnancy. Non-identical twins we have identical twins. Non-identical means the both don't look the same. In identical, the both look the same. So in non-identical twins is formed because of 2 fertilized eggs get implanted in the uterus at the same time. That means 2 fertilization has happened with 2 eggs, 2 sperms. Amazing, right? This is for non-identical. In identical, what happens is only a single egg is fertilized. But the zygote suddenly divides into two different embryos. A single zygote divides into two different embryos. That is the time where we have identical twins. Understood, people? In non-identical, two fertilized eggs are there. In identical, only a single fertilized egg, but zygote splits into two. Okay, now the eggs of the frog do not have shells for protection, yet they are safe in water. How? A layer of jelly is around the eggs to protect them. Water helps them to float and retain that moisture. If the eggs are laid in the land, they will dry up and die. That's why frogs always lay the eggs in the water. Got it? Okay. Mother gives birth to the baby, but the baby has characteristics of both the parents. Because the baby is formed from sexual reproduction, where male gamete also is involved. Right? During fertilization, we have two gametes. One from the father, one from the mother. They both fuse together. Therefore, the baby has the characteristics of both the father and mother. With the help of chromosomes. Yes, correct. Okay, some long type answers, guys. What do you mean by metamorphosis? How does metamorphosis takes place in frog? As I already told you, sudden changes in their life cycle, drastic changes. Okay, so frogs undergo through 3 stages during their life cycle, in which eggs are laid down by the frog, that eggs becomes tadpole, then the tadpole finally becomes into an adult during the process of metamorphosis. Look at the diagram. First eggs, tadpole, which will look like a fish. They have gills and all. Then becomes a late tadpole, then adult frog. Do we have a quiz? We have a quiz, guys. Yes. We definitely have a quiz. Yes. Yes, we have a quiz. Understood, guys? Clear with this? What is budding? Budding is a type of asexual reproduction, of course, where an outgrowth happens from a single parent. That outgrowth is called as a bud. That bud develops into a new individual. Example, hydra, yeast, sponges. Everything reproduces by budding method only. Like this. See? A bud is formed. That bud becomes into a new hydra. Got it? Binary fission. Single amoeba splits into two. Right? Binary fission is another method of asexual reproduction. Amoeba is a single-celled organism. It begins the process of reproduction by division of the nucleus into two nuclei. Then finally the body also separates into two. That is why it's called as binary fission. 1 to 2. Though hen and frog both have oviparous, they have different types of fertilization. Because in the frogs, the fertilization happens outside the body. In the hen, the fertilization happens inside the body. We already saw. Yeah? Yes? Shall we go for quiz, guys, now? Are you all ready for the quiz time? Yes. Come on. Where is the quiz? All you have to do is go here, and here is the quiz link. Click on this link. You'll be able to join the quiz. Come on. Everybody, quick. Click on the link and join the quiz, guys. The link for the VQuiz is right here, right below the video. Click on this link to join the VQuiz. Very good, Satya. Yes. Come on, quick. No problem, Gunyadav. No problem. Okay, start your preparation from today. Start your preparation from today. Don't you waste any time. You'll be able to do it. Don't worry. You are in 10th. Good. Not a problem. There are so many one-shot revisions going on Vedantu 9th and 10th channel. Please go through it. Okay? Hi, namaskaram, guys. Alright, come on, quick. By the time you guys join the week quiz, let's also quickly have a look at our cloning also. One last topic, right? Yes. So in cloning, what happened? So Dolly was the first animal to be cloned. It's a sheep, right? So first they removed the cells from a Dorset Eve sheep. Then they took an egg from the Scottish blackface eve. They fertilized both that cells. Both are females basically. They fertilized and then a clone was developed. So Dolly is the first animal to be cloned. It's just a sheep. Okay, how cool is this? Right? See? Right. Come on, guys. Let's go for the week quiz. Everybody, quick. Shall we start? I'm waiting for everyone to join, guys. If you're not able to join, all you have to do is go to www.vquiz.in, enter the code 227933. Quick, come on. Come on, let's go. Can we get 100 likes before we finish this week quiz? Come on, 100 likes. 100 likes, quick. Thank you so much, Purple Student, for spamming the code. Come on, guys, everybody. I'm waiting for everyone to join. Only few questions. 6 questions. We'll be able to solve it very easily. So everybody quickly join. Come on. Quick, come on. Hi, Mandeep. Hello. On electrons, we'll do. Okay, Prabha, we'll do. Exam में preparation leave भी नहीं है. That's why start your preparations from now. Today से. आज से. Okay? Quick, come on, guys. Everybody join the week quiz. Everybody, quick. Okay, we shall start the quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is your first question. Let's go, Kalsu, come on. I'm good. In the list of animals given below, hen is the odd one out. Why? It undergoes internal fertilization. It is oviparous. It is viviparous. It undergoes external fertilization. Why is the hen odd one out? Human being, cow, dog, hen. Simple, come on. Quick. Let's go. Velayud Raja, very good. Come on. Because it is oviparous, hen lays eggs. Whereas humans, a cow, dog, everything are viviparous. Because they give birth to the young ones directly. Got it? Leaderboard, guys. Great. We have Ankit Ranjan. Then we have Kaira, Tarj, Uvix, Kanishka, Aruhi, Aditya, Angelina, Samiksha, and Rainby. Great job, guys. Next question. Come on. You can't join? Refresh and try to join. Come on. Set of reproductive terms are given below. Choose an incorrect combination. Incorrect combination. Come on. Let's go. Easy. Hello, Sanjana. Choose the incorrect combination, guys. Quick, come on. Incorrect combination. Let's go. Don't you forget to hit the like button right now. Come on, everybody. Let's make it 100 likes. Everybody. Quick. By the time I finish the week quiz, I want to see 100 likes. Let's go. Of course, it is sperm, oviduct, egg, and uterus. Is it so? Why? Why is that? Because if you see, sperm, testis, sperm duct, penis, all of these are male. Menstruation, egg, oviduct, uterus are all female. Sperm is male, oviduct is female, egg is female, uterus is female. So this has both the combination of male and female. That's why. Okay? Leaderboard. Ankit Ranjan, Kaira, Kanishka, Angelina, Uvik, Samiksha, Tarj, Pratmesh, Krishna, and Aruhi. Great job, guys. Next question on your screen. Question number 3, guys. Let's go. Animals exhibiting external fertilization produce a large number of gametes. Pick the appropriate reason. Why do they produce so much gametes? The animals are small in size. They want to produce more offsprings. Food is available in plenty in water to ensure better chance of fertilization. Water promotes production of large number of gametes. It's Kaira. Okay, sorry. I thought it was Kaira. Kaira. Hello, Kaira. To ensure, or what is it, guys? Oh, oh. It is, guys, it is option. Option. Tell me quickly. Why so much confusion? Why is it not working now? Oh, oops, 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 oops. Right? It is because, guys, see, when you have such smaller gametes, the chances of survival is very less because there are so many predators in the water which will eat it away. So it's very important to ensure their survival. So many gametes are laid out. So very good. So we have Ankit Ranjan, we have Kaira, we have UX, Samiksha, Krishna, Prathamesh, Kanishka, Angelina, Aditya, Raj and Tar. So option A is the right answer, guys. Good job. Question number 4 on your screen. Internal fertilization takes place where? Inside male body, inside female body, outside female body, outside male body. Where does internal fertilization takes place? Quick, come on, guys. Hello, Aruhi. Internal fertilization means it happens inside, but where? Male or female? It happens inside the female's body because where does it happen? In the fallopian tube, which is inside the female. Very good, guys. Ankit Ranjan, Kaira, Yuvik, Samiksha, Krishna, Kanishka, Prathamesh, Angelina, Aditya, Raj and Taj. Question number 5 on your screen. Which is not a viviparous animal? Human being, cow, dog, butterfly. Which is not a viviparous animal? Hey Shrishti. Hello. Malay Vanakkam, Krishna, Malay Vanakkam. His name itself is Malay Vanakkam. Malay Vanakkam means good evening, guys. Oh, butterfly, yeah. Butterfly. It's option D, butterfly, guys, because butterfly lays eggs. Okay, absolutely. Good job. Leaderboard. Ankit, UX, Akaira, Samiksha, Krishna, Angelina, Aditya Raj, Tarj, Aruhi and Kanishka. One last question on your screen. Let's go, people. Let's go. Come on. By the way, if you guys are watching this session after the live, do not worry. You can still play the VQuiz. The link will be right in the description. Okay. The number of eggs produced in internal fertilization is dash. More than external, less than external, more or less than external depending on the environmental conditions, equal to external fertilization. The number of eggs produced in the internal fertilization. Difficult question, but you can do it. Come on. Because we already saw that in external fertilization, more numbers of eggs produced for better survival. In internal, since it happens inside the body, it is obviously less than external fertilization. Okay, in humans, just one. Right? Yes. Final leaderboard, guys. Next session is tomorrow, purple. We have Ankit at the top. Very good, Ankit. Then we have UX and we have Kaira. Great job, guys. You guys have all done very well. Congratulations to all of you. And if you guys want to get to know when is the next session, very simple. All you guys have to do is go here, go to Vedantu Young Wonders. Look at this. Upcoming. Right? Upcoming. Tomorrow you have for grade 6, Fun with Magnets with Nobita ma'am. Then you have it with me at 7:15 for Transportation in Animals and Plants for grade 7. Okay, then you also have Math. Okay, so don't you miss, guys. Don't you miss. Alright. So yes, I hope all of you had fun, guys. I hope you guys all understood whatever we learned. Yes. Look at the diagrams that we made. Alright. So it was fun teaching you all. I'll meet you guys in the next session, that is tomorrow. So until then, guys, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you take care, stay safe. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, do everything, guys. Alright. And I'll meet you guys on the next class. So until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you take care, stay safe, stay as lovely as always, you guys. Bye-bye.